What's going on YouTube? DIY Bill here. Today I just want to give you a quick tip for if you're cleaning your fish tank, a fish tank tip. So I have this Python drain hose, right? I have a 55-gallon freshwater tank, and this little tool is pretty nice, but it gets a little tricky. Okay, so this end connects to the faucet. Okay, here's my faucet. As a matter of fact, let me show you what I did. I took the nozzle off. Okay, there's the filter screen right there and the rubber washer. So I unscrewed the washer, and you can tell that this is the female end, this is the male end. Okay, the Python drain hose has the female end here. However, that can't connect, okay? But it does come with an adapter, all right? Here's the adapter, okay? It comes with two sizes, all right? But still, that doesn't fit. You can't unscrew this part right here. Doesn't matter what you do, all right? Here's the trick. See this rubber washer right here? Take this rubber washer off. It's actually a 3-part adapter. Hang on. I'm trying to pull it out now. Okay. Let me put my rubber washer here. You see that it's threaded on the inside. Okay. Now, I can go ahead and connect my my adapter to my sink. And that's how you do it. Okay? And now I can connect this end here, no problems asked. Again, this is the Python fish tank drain hose, and that's just a quick little tip on how to connect the adapter to the sink. Thanks for watching.